You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? So how do you say good morning in Irish Gaelic in Ireland? So this is a more formal way of saying it. There is a simplest way to say it, which is machin why, as I should say, machin why. Stay tuned to learn more how to pronounce this one. There's a video about it. Now this is more formal, as I said. Diachwich machin. Diachwich machin. Diachwich machin. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.